Hello friends, in previous lecture we have studied division algorithm, that is, if a and b are integers where a is not equal to 0, then if you divide b by a, then we will get some quotient and remainder, and we can express b equal to a times quotient, that is q, aq plus r, where value of remainder lies between 0 and mod a, that is 0 is less equal r less than mod a. If r is 0, then we say that b is multiple of a, that is b is equal to aq, and if not, then the remainder lies between 1 to modulus of a. Today we will see applications of division algorithm. This is our lecture number 8, application of division algorithms. Applications of division algorithm. So in that, firstly we will take one example, that is so that square of any integer is of form 4k or 8k plus 1, so that square of any integer is of form 4k or 8k plus 1. So solution, applying, let n belongs to Z. Applying division algorithm to n and 2, we have n is equal to 2k plus r, where 0 is less equal, r less than 2. For r is equal to 0, n equal to 2k. For r is equal to 1, that is n is even integer. For r equal to 1, n is equal to 2k plus 1, that is n is odd integer. Means, okay, here we'll take nq plus r, say 2q, here 2q and 2q plus r. For qr belongs to Z. For some qr belongs to Z, that depends on n and 2. Okay. Now for n is equal to 2q, n square is equal to 2q square is equal to 4q square is equal to 4k, for k is equal to q square belongs to Z. For n is equal to 2q plus 1, your n square is equal to 2q plus 1 bracket square. If you simplify this, we will get 4q square plus 4q plus 1. Now you can observe here that this is 4q into q plus 1 plus 1. Now q and q plus 1 are consecutive integers. Now q and q plus 1 are consecutive integers in which one must be even integer. in which one is even, and one is odd integer. Therefore, q into q plus 1 is multiple of 2 or divisible by 2. Therefore, q into q plus 1 is multiple of 2. Suppose q into q plus 1 is equal to 2k for some k belongs to J. Using 3 into we get 3 into what we get? We'll get n square is equal to 4 times 2k plus 1, which is equal to 8k plus 1. Okay. This is your 4. From 1 and 3, from 1 and 3, n square is equal to 4k or 8k plus 1 for some k belongs to the square of any integer is either 4k or 8k plus 1 form. Thus, square of any integer is of form 4k or 8k plus 1. Is it clear? And you can also observe that if n is even integer, then its square is always multiple of 4, and if n is odd integer, if you divide it by 8, remainder is always 1. Okay, so note. For even integer n, n square is divisible by 4, and for odd integer n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. From this, if n is even, then n square is multiple of 4, that we proved. Means 4 divides n square. And n square is equal to 8k plus 1 means n square minus 1 is equal to 8k. N square minus 1 is equal to 8k means 8 divides n square minus 1 whenever n is odd integer. Okay. This is one application of division algorithm. Next example, so that expression a into a square plus 2 upon 3 is an integer. Next example, show that a into a square plus 2 upon 3 belongs to Z for any a belongs to Z. Solution: applying division algorithm, let a belongs to Z be arbitrary integer. There is no any restriction on choice of a. As I have to show that a into a square upon 2 by 3 is integer, means 3 must divide a into a square plus 2. A into a square plus 2 must be multiple of 3. That is our aim. So Applying division algorithm to an3, division algorithm to an3, there exists QR belongs to Z such that A equal to 3Q plus R, where 0 is less equal R less than mod less than 3. Okay. Therefore, this implies A is equal to 3Q plus 1 or 3Q plus 2 for some Q belongs to Z. Now for A equal to 3Q, we will evaluate A into A square plus 2. Now for A equal to 3Q, A into A square plus 2 is equal to 3Q into 3Q bracket square plus 2 is 3 times K, for K is equal to Q into 3Q square plus 2. For A is equal to 3Q plus 1, A into A square plus 2 is equal to 3Q plus 1 into 3Q plus 1 bracket square plus 2. If we simplify this, we'll keep this 3Q plus 1 as it is into 9Q square plus 6Q plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. Then what will get? 3Q plus 1. Here we will get 9Q square, okay, plus 6Q plus 3. By taking it to be outside, we will get 3 into 3Q square plus 2Q plus 1, which is equal to 3 times K, for K is equal to 3Q plus 1 into 3Q square plus 2Q plus 1. This is combination of integers. Where addition and multiplication square, therefore this must belongs to Z. For A is equal to 3Q plus 2, A into A square plus 2 is equal to 3Q plus 1 into 3Q plus 2 into 3Q plus 2 bracket square plus 2. If you simplify, this is not multiple of 3. So, we will simplify this now. So, we will get 9Q square plus 3Q 2 times AB, we will get 12Q plus 4 plus 2. Now, 9Q square is multiple of 3, 12Q is multiple of 3, 4 plus 2 that is 6 is multiple of 3. So, we will get 3 times 3Q plus 2 into, this will become 3Q square plus 4Q plus 2 is equal to 3K, for K is equal to 3Q plus 2 into 3Q square plus 4Q plus 2 belonging to Z. From above three cases, above three cases. A into a square plus 2 is equal to 3k for A belongs to Z, A into a square plus 2 is equal to 3k for some k belongs to Z, implies A into a square by 2 upon 3 is equal to k belongs to Z for any A belonging to Z. Okay. Means what we are proving here, 3 always divides A into a square plus 2. 3 always divides A into a square plus 2. Is it clear? So with help of division algorithm, we are proving those results. Next example. So that so that so that 11 111 100 1000 111 11111 dot dot etc. are not perfect squares, are not perfect squares. Observe, I can write 11 as 8 plus 3, 111 as 108 plus 3, 1111 as 100 1108 plus 3, and so on. If I take 1111 1111 1 etc., then I'll take it as, say this is a n times. Okay, this is n. Then I'll take this as 111 108. This is my n minus 2 plus 3. Okay. For n greater equal 3. N greater equal 3. Whatever that may be. Whatever it may be. So in this way we can write this number in this form. Okay. Now in 111 108, last two digit number is 08, which is divisible by 2, which is divisible by 8, which is divisible by 8, and therefore whole number must be divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Therefore, by divisibility test of 4, divisibility test of 4, 111 and so on 108 is divisible by 4, and therefore 1 1 and so on 1 1 is of type 4k plus 3. 4k plus 3. We know, this is 1, we know square of any integer is of form 4k or 8k plus 1. 8k plus 1. That is 4k dash plus 1. 4k dash is equal to 2k. From 1 and 2, any number in sequence 11, 111, 1111 dot dot etc. is not a perfect square. Because perfect square is always of type 4k or 4k dash plus 1, and this is of for 4k plus 3. And hence any number of this form is not perfect square. Here actually we are applying division algorithm. Okay, by division algorithm we are getting this. Okay. Next example, show that 19 1 1 9 1 1 1 9 1 1 1 9 and so on are not perfect squares. Again on same line. Observe 11 19. I can write this as 16 plus 3. Is it right? So this is 119 as 116 plus 3 1119 is equal to 1116 plus 3 and so on. Okay. So any number in sequence is of form is of form is equal to 1 6 plus 3 where last two digit number 16 is divisible by 8, divisible by 4, and therefore by divisibility test of 4, you have studied divisibility test of 2. If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2. You know divisibility test for 3 and 9. If sum of all digits in the given number is either divisible by 3 or divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 3 or 9. Sum of all digits is divisible by 3 or 9, then that whole number is also divisible by 3 or 9. Divisibility test for 4, if last two digit number is divisible by 4, then that whole number must be divisible by 4. Divisibility test for 5, if last digit either 0 or 5, that is multiple of 5, then that number is divisible by 5. That number is divisible by 5. If given number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then that number is divisible by 6. That is divisibility test for 6, and so on. So this is divisibility test for divisibility test by divisibility test of 4. 1 1 1 1 6 is divisible by 4, and therefore 1 1 1 1 and so on 1 9 is equal to 4k plus 3 form again for some k belongs to Z 1. Now square of any integer is of form 4k or 4k plus 1. So from 1 and 2, any number in given sequence from 1 to any number in sequence 19, 119, 1119 and so on are not perfect squares. Are not perfect squares. So in this lecture we have studied applications of division algorithm. So with this discussion we will stop our session to here. We will see more applications of division algorithm in next lecture. Thanks for listening lecture carefully. Subscribe the channel if you like lecture. Bye bye.